Welcome back to What's Trending on AI, your go-to channel for the latest in artificial intelligence. And today we're talking about Devin, the autonomous coding agent from Cognition AI that's taking the developer world by storm. Devin's capabilities. If you haven't heard of Devin yet, let me catch you up. This AI-powered software engineer can write entire applications from scratch, based on just a brief description of what you want. It can solve complex programming issues, and it's fast. We're talking minutes, not hours or days. But don't just take my word for it. In a recent demo, the folks at Cognition AI gave Devin a real-world challenge, a job posted on Upwork, the freelance marketplace. And guess what? Devin crushed it, autonomously completing the whole thing. So, what does this mean for developers? If you're already using AI to work faster, imagine what you could do with an AI software engineer by your side. The idea of 10x developers, the ones who are 10 times more productive than their peers, might become the norm, not the exception. This brings me to something Jensen Huang, the CEO of NVIDIA, said recently. He declared that everybody in the world is now a programmer. And with tools like Devin, it's easy to see why. Now, let's dive deeper into Devin's capabilities by checking out some videos that showcase its amazing features. Video 1, Learning New Technologies. In this first video, we see how Devin can quickly learn and adapt to unfamiliar technologies, allowing it to tackle a wide range of tasks.
Hey everyone, my name is Sarah, and I'm going to show you how Devin, our AI software engineer, can autonomously learn from a blog post. Within a few minutes, Devin successfully generated this desktop background image for me with my name on it. So all I had to do was send this blog post in a message to Devin. From there, Devin actually does all the work for me, starting with reading this blog post and figuring out how to run the code. In a couple of minutes, Devin's actually made a lot of progress. And if we jump to the middle here, you can see that Devin's been able to find and fix some edge cases and bugs that the blog post did not cover for me. And if we jump to the end, we can see that Devin sends me the final result, which I love. I also got 2 bonus images here and here. So let me know if you guys see anything hidden in these.
Video 2, Contributing to Production Repositories. Next, we have Devin demonstrating its ability to contribute to mature production repositories, proving its value in real-world scenarios.
Hey, I'm Neil, and I wanted to show you an example of Devin, our AI software engineer, helping me fix a bug. So I've been using this repo called SymPy. SymPy is an algebra system written in Python. And I noticed this issue where when you take the log of a fraction, you get zoo, which is a type of infinity. So that's definitely wrong, but instead of trying to figure this out myself, I just asked Devin to take a look. Devin immediately jumps in, sets up the repo, and is able to reproduce that same zoo output. Devin then figures out the right part of the code and adds print statements in order to figure out what the cause of this issue is. And we can see here that the cause is that integer division leads to a 0, and then we take the log of 0. So based on that, Devin's able to fix the issue in the code by replacing that integer division with true division, and then cleans up the debug output and verifies that the result is what we want. And then Devin even runs the test in the repo as well to make sure nothing else is broken. So that was great. Saved me a ton of time. So thank you, Devin.
Video 3, Training and Fine-Tuning AI Models. In the third video, Devin takes on the challenge of training and fine-tuning its own AI models, showcasing its capacity for self-improvement.
Hey guys, today I'm going to show you an AI training an AI. So here we're going to take the QLoRa repo, which is a fine-tuning method for quantizing large language models. We're going to feed this repo to our agent, Devin, and all we have to ask Devin is to fine-tune a 7B llama model. Devin clones the repo, figures out how to run it using the README, sets up all of the requirements using pip, looks through all the scripts, and is able to start running the training job. There are a few hiccups where Devin runs into some CUDA issues, which is to be expected with open source repos, but it's not a problem. Devin looks at the NVIDIA environment and figures out how to reinstall the packages to make it work. After a few more runs, figuring out the correct model names, Devin successfully gets the training run working. Here we see training proceeding smoothly, loss is going down, and after a few steps, looks pretty good. I tell Devin to wait as the training job runs. After about an hour, I come back, ask Devin, hey, how's the training going? Devin helps me look. A few hundred steps are done now, and everything is still proceeding smoothly. Looks great. Thanks, Devin, for helping me set up my training run.
Video 4, completing Upwork jobs. Finally, we have Devin taking on real jobs posted on Upwork, highlighting its potential to disrupt the freelance market.
Hey, I'm Walden, one of the developers here at Cognition AI. We were playing around with whether or not Devin could start a side hustle on Upwork. So here's an actual real job from Upwork where the client wants to set up this computer vision model, which actually looks quite interesting. It seems very difficult to set up. I'm not sure how I would start doing this, but you give the task to Devin and ask Devin to figure it out, and things just kick off. Devin immediately goes ahead, and you can see it sort of starts setting up the repo. It actually runs into some issues here with the versioning. So if you watch how Devin deals with it, Devin's actually updating the code to make these things work. He continues with this, loading and importing packages. You can see that actually downloads images from the internet to run through the model. But you can see here that there are actually some issues that come across. However, Devin knows how to handle these things. Devin kind of pushes through, and if you look closely, Devin's actually doing print line debugging here, where Devin is adding these statements to track where the data flows. And Devin continues to do this until Devin understands how everything's working, and actually then updates the code with the fixes after removing print line statements. Devin continues this pattern of fixing code and running it again until it runs the image model across all of these roads across the world. And we can ask for a report from Devin. At which point, Devin sends over some sample images of roads with damage marked out and a nice TXT file explaining Devin's work and the different kinds of outputs of the model. Good job, Devin.
These videos offer a glimpse into the incredible potential of autonomous coding agents like Devin. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more impressive feats from these AI-powered software engineers. So there you have it, folks. The rise of autonomous coding agents like Devin is set to shake up the world of software development as we know it. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on what's trending on AI. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.